AI content tools are transforming the way UK YouTubers create and engage with their audiences. For instance, tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ are game changers for optimizing video SEO, helping creators find the right keywords and tags to boost visibility. Then there's Descript, which makes editing a breeze by allowing you to edit video as if you're editing text. Imagine cutting out filler words or rearranging clips just by deleting sentences. And let's not forget about AI-driven analytics tools like Social Blade, which provide insights into channel performance and audience demographics. This data helps creators tailor their content to what viewers really want. Finally, platforms like Canva are perfect for designing eye-catching thumbnails that grab attention. With these tools, content creation becomes not just easier, but smarter, allowing creators to focus more on their passion and less on the nitty-gritty. If you're a YouTuber, these tools are definitely worth exploring.